upon my door. Early this morning, when you knocked upon my door, and I say, hello Satan, I believe it is time to go. Me and the devil walking side by side. Me and the devil walking side by side.
400M. Okay, I'll show you. So these are the propellers. Strong turboprop engine. Totally 4 engines we have here. That is the tail part. I don't 6 अभी आ जाना. और here we have. अरे आप चेहरा छुपा लो ना. Confused हो जा रहा हूँ. I think my phone is getting confused just because of Sheikh sir. But anyhow, this was a great, enjoyable day for us, and we really, enjoyed the whole moment. I think we have seen so many aircrafts, jets, and static models, and die-cast models, and this one small exhibition was there. So that was a great opportunity and time for us to come here and see this beautiful museum. My name is Aerospace, right? Aerospace Museum. And that's all, guys. Some military aircraft we have seen, some commercial. So that was a wonderful and a great, time we have spent here. So